All right, hello boys and girls, kindergarten class. Today we're going to work on chapter 2, lesson number 6. And if that's not the next one in your book, please go to page 125. We're going to talk about the numbers 9 and 10 today. So first let's watch a video.
Read and write 9 and 10. Are you ready to go on number supply? Correct. Be on the lookout for the number 9 and the number 10. We can't go on a safari without a hat. Here is a total of hats. Let's count how many hats are in the group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 hats. We need binoculars to go on a safari. How many binoculars are in the group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 binoculars.
Okay, we also have a video to watch. The number song.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
Okay, boys and girls, today's lesson is read and write 9 and 10. Our essential question is, what do numbers tell me? Okay, so we have a little monkey up in the tree having a banana snack, and it looks like a snake is wound around the tree. Okay, to start off, they want us to count the hats in each group. So we've got two different groups of hats. Say how many and use blocks to show how many. Trace the numbers. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get out my e-tools, and we're going to use these blue blocks today. And I'm going to count and put 1 on each one of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. And if you look over here, I actually have 1 extra hat than I did over here. I noticed that one of those boxes is going to be filled on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. All right, we're going to draw the number 9. I'm going to get a writing tool. And to begin this, let's get out a writing tool that has a bigger line so that we can talk about this. So there's a little green dot right there, and they want you to start on that dot and make a loop and then a line to make a 9. Again, start on that dot, a loop, and a line to make the number 9. Over here for 10, start your number here at the top with that big green dot, a big 1 down, 1 is fun, and 0 follows that number, 1 and 0. And the reason it says 1 and 0 is it's because it's one group of 10 and 0 extra ones. All right, we're ready to go to the next page. Okay, so first we're going to focus on the number 9. So it asks us to count the animals, say how many, and we're going to put color tiles to show that number. So let me get out. I guess I'm going to need to get out a writing tool because they don't even have anything for me to use for tools. So let me go back to that one again. I lost it. There we go. Okay, so we're just going to count it. I'm just going to go ahead and sometimes when I'm counting, it's helpful to just put a little dot on what I'm counting on. So that way I know I've already counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and number 9. Okay, there are 9 rhinoceroses. Starting at that dot, go around in your loop, come back up, and then go straight down. Loop and line will make a 9. Okay, there's 1 9 that we have to make on our own, so go ahead and start on your loop and your line to make a 9. All right, next we're going to count the giraffes. Oh my goodness, it looks like we are supposed to have 10 of those, but let's go ahead and I'm going to use my writing tool to just dot it and count it. It's always good to practice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now remember to start at the top. You've got a green dot to remind you, so we're going to make a 10. Oops, my line is not as good as yours. And around we go, and that's 0. All right, I think I need a bigger line, actually. That would help me a lot. All right, so here we go. Straight down, 1 is fun, and around we go. 0 the hero. 1 group of 10, and 0 extra ones. All right, we're ready. Okay, this time we're going to do the same thing. We're going to count them, then we're going to practice writing the numbers. So I'm going to get out my writing tool so I can put a little dot or something here on each one. I think I'm going to give them a little triangle hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whoops, 8, 9, and our last number is 10. All right, remember to start at the top. So I'm going to get my thick number line because it's so much easier for my line when it's thicker. 1, and go around you go. 0 the hero. A 1, group of 10, 0 extra left over. All right, so on the dots you got to do all by yourself. 1 group of 10, 0 extra left over. Okay, so you are on the on your own portion. So what I'd like you to do is continue on counting the animals, say how many, and then you're going to trace the number and write the number 2 times. So we're going to do number 4, 5, and 6. Excuse me. All right, and I'll see you on the last page, which is Okay, so this is the number 9. And this is the on your own page. So what I'd like you to do is continue working on number 4, 5, and 6 by counting the animals, saying how many, and then tracing the number once and writing it 2 times. And I will see you on the last page, which is problem solving. All right, so boys and girls, we actually have 4 problems left on the last page, and we're on number 7. It says, say the number, trace and write the number, draw healthy foods to show how many. Oh, okay, so this will be fun. All right, so I'm going to need my writing tools. And it asks us to say the number, trace and write the number. So here we go. This is the number 9. We're going to trace it. And we're also going to write it. I'm going to get my thick line out again. So here we go. Number 9 is a loop and a line. And then we need to make 9 things on here. So I'm going to make 9 little peas on my plate. You can make strawberries, beans, corn, anything you want, just as long as it's supposed to be something healthy. All right, 9 little peas. I put peas in my stew last night. So I've got 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, number 10, we're going to say the same thing. We're going to trace the number 10 and then make one of the 10s all by yourself. 1 group of 10 and 0 extra ones. And now we're going to make 10 of something on this plate. I think I'm going to make 10 apples. So here's 1. Oops, that was not the line I wanted to make. So let me see if I can get that line to stop. I'm going to have to clear it. So I'm going to pause this for just a second. Okay, I got my plate all cleaned off and I'm going to try this again. I'm going to make apples. So I'm going to make 10 apples on my plate, and I need a tool, which is going to be my pen and not my eraser. I don't want an eraser. I want a pen. So I'm going to go ahead and make my apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make one over here. 5. All right. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, as long as you have 10 things on the plate, you're good to go. All right, we're on problem solving number 9 and 10, which is our last 2 problems. So number 9, draw a circle around the carrots to show a group of 10. Write the number 2 times. All right, so we have to draw a circle around the carrots to show a group of 10. So for me, I'm going to get out a writing tool. And I can see that I have actually 5 here and 5 here, and I know that 5 and 5 are equal to 10. So I'm going to draw my line around just the 10 items right here. Let's see if I can get that out. We don't want an eraser. I want the marker. Okay, select the tool. There it is. Let's see if it'll write. Oh, good, yay. Okay, so we can see I have 10 items, 1 group of 10, and I actually have 2 extra ones. So, but it wants me to write the number 2 times. So we're going to write 10 2 times. So 1 and a 0. And then 1 and a 0. All right. So now, again, on number 10, it says draw a circle around the groups to show a group of 9. Write the number 2 times. So they want this to be a group of 9. Well, I know that there are 5 here and 5 here, so I need to go 1 less on those grapes. I'm going to go ahead and start this way. Go all the way up, and then I'm going to exclude that 1 little grape right there to show 9. So here we go. 9 is a loop in our line. Write it 2 times. Excellent. All right. Well, I think we're all finished with number 9 and 10. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.